Urbn, a new age premium brand in the audio and electronic industry, has launched its first ever range of trendy portable speakers and headphones. Mahendra Singh Dhoni had come on board as partner for this brand. In this video, I am going to unbox, share my review and test Urbn Bang 1000 Bluetooth speaker with some good music. I bought this speaker on Amazon India for around 2000 rupees. Sometimes you get cashback or extra discounts. You can check it directly by going to amazon.in/shop/bantakal or check description of this video for direct link to buy the speaker. Now let me tell you about Urbn Bang 1000 speaker. Inside the box, there was a USB charging cable, 3.5 mm auxiliary cable and instruction manuals. This speaker looks stylish with unique design, strong body with premium quality leather hand strap on it. Do not forget to charge the speaker's internal battery before using it for the first time. It takes 5 to 6 hours to fully charge it. This speaker wirelessly streams audio by connecting with laptop, tablet, Android smartphone or any other device which is Bluetooth enabled. You can play music using USB or micro SD memory card. You can also listen FM radio but insert 3.5 mm auxiliary cable which works as antenna for FM. Only thing I didn't like is charging indicator which is below charging point, which makes a bit uncomfortable to check. This speaker has built-in subwoofer for extra bass, but I'm not that much satisfied with the bass. I like this speaker, especially listening vocal, classical vocal, Carnatic fusion music in it.
Now let's test music in the speaker. Oh yes!